In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Jira on Windows. To begin, open your web browser on your Windows computer. Then go to your Jira site and sign in, so you can confirm you are in the right Atlassian environment. Once you are in Jira, look for the Marketplace or Apps area, where you can discover add-ons and related tools. This helps you confirm you are working with Jira and looking for the correct desktop experience for Windows. Next, in a new browser tab, go to Google and search for Desktop App for Jira. In the search results, find the listing that says Desktop App for Jira. Free download and install on Windows. Select that result to open the official download page. It is important to use a trusted source, because downloading from unofficial sites can lead to outdated installers or security issues. After that, you should be taken to the Microsoft Store page for the app. On this page, take a moment to confirm you are on the Microsoft Store and that the app name matches what you searched for. When you are ready, select the download button. Windows may ask you to confirm a few prompts, such as allowing the Microsoft Store to start the installation, or confirming that you want to install the app on your device. Go ahead and follow those prompts to continue. During installation, keep the Microsoft Store window open and let it finish. If you are prompted to sign in to the Microsoft Store, complete that step using your own Microsoft account, because the app may require it to install properly. If the download seems slow, stay on the page and give it a little time, since store downloads can vary depending on your connection. When the installation completes, you can open the desktop app for Jira directly from the Microsoft Store by selecting Open, or you can find it later from the Start menu by searching for the app name. At that point, the app is installed and ready, and you can proceed with any on-screen setup prompts to connect it to your Jira account. And that is all there is to it.